Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita. Hope you all are doing well and I hope you all had a great Diwali. And yes, my location has changed today. I just changed my location because I just felt like it. Alright, so today I will be doing a reaction. This is the official teaser of the upcoming film Master. Now, a lot of viewers, they DM'd me and they also wrote in the comments that, that this teaser is supposed to drop at 6 p.m. on Diwali day. But yesterday I didn't get the time because of the festivities. But I'm here today for the reaction and I'm really stoked to see because this is the teaser and I'm pretty sure it's still, for a teaser, it's still 1.5 minutes long, but I don't think they're gonna divulge many details in the teaser because they'll do that for the official trailer. So yes, nonetheless, I'm really excited to see what the movie is about, and without delaying this, let's just get into the reaction. All right. And there are a lot of reviews also pending. I know I've just not got the time to shoot and edit but I've watched everything over the weekend. But yes, the reviews will be like out next week. All right, let's start. Oh, okay. He's a boozer. Okay. It's like a rebel professor. Ooh. Like a face-off. Okay, let me stop this. Oh, I have to stop saying let me stop this first now. It's become like a reflex. Alright, so that was the official teaser for Master starring Thalapathy Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi. This looks very interesting, and yes, because it was the teaser, it gave nothing of the storyline. But what I'm guessing, I'm gonna do my guesswork now. What I feel is that it's gonna be like a face-off between these two characters, and it just gave me the feeling that Vijay Sethupathi might be the villain in this one. Who has probably a grudge against this teacher, who is a Professor JD, played by Thalapathy Vijay. He is like the rebel professor, he's like, I feel he's like the no-nonsense professor who's teaching in this particular college, and he doesn't basically take any crap or bullshit. If somebody is, if he sees or feels that something is wrong, he's just gonna raise his voice and stand up for that cause. That's what I'm getting the feeling of. And I think Vijay Sethupathi's character would be like the dawn of that area, and this guy comes in and he's really not liking that. Okay, he's causing, but probably I think Thalapathi's character JD is causing trouble in Vijay Sethupathi's area. My broad guess, this is what my broad guess is, and both of them are facing off each other to see who the master of that area becomes, or whatever the main. That is what this is just my broad guess, guys. This is just my broad guess looking at the teaser. Of course, when the official trailer drops, there would be more context given. So I loved it. I really feel this is going to be a very high voltage, action packed movie, and this looks like it is made for the theaters to get those whistles and clapping and all the hooting. It feels like that this movie is gonna have those moments. Can we talk about the background score? I loved the background score. This is what this is the kind of background score that you use for a very, very stylish, action-packed film, face-off between two characters, when there is a huge face-off between two characters. This tuck at the end when the title was shown, Master, that beat when it changed, I really love that. So I think the background score is going to be very, very electrifying and engaging. I feel that the action also looks great. There are going to be a lot of action scenes. You know, that scene where the fist collided, I really like that. So it's really nice. I really enjoyed this teaser. But let's see what the release date is going to be now that theaters are opening slowly. This will of course get a theatrical release, and it looks like it's made for the theaters. So yes, I will be really looking forward to the official trailer whenever it drops. So yeah guys, that was my reaction for the official teaser of Master. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Do let me know what are your expectations from this film, and do suggest me what else I can react to. Now I want to react to in songs, couple of songs and covers from K.S. Harishankar, because after Jia Jale I've become like this huge fan of his vocals, and you have given me a lot of suggestions for various songs of his, so probably I'll do one of the reactions like in the coming week of one of his songs. And please update me if there are any more teasers or trailers that have dropped which I have not been made aware of or I do not know of. All your suggestions are of course welcome. So yeah guys, that was my reaction for Master. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you enjoyed this festival time. Of course not to the fullest because of the current situation, and the year is almost over. 2020 is almost over, and yesterday when I was doing the Diwali puja, I was just praying that 2021 should be at least more hopeful and better than 2020. I know it's not going to be like a complete flip from 2020. It's not just like when 2021 comes and everything is alright. Of course it's not going to be like that, but I hope the next year is more positive and filled with more joy for all of us, more hopeful. I hope we get to travel finally in 2021. Let's see. So wishing everybody again a very happy belated Diwali. Okay, let's say happy belated Diwali. Wishing everyone good health and happiness for the next year and all the coming years. And thank you so much guys. I just wanted to give a special thanks to all of you because for the 8K subscribers that I have made in this short period of time. So yes, I'm really grateful. So thank you so much. This means a lot to me. I know it's not a very big channel, but I am really grateful to all of you for finding the content entertaining and of value. All your feedback are welcome. Whatever I can improve, because I'm always looking at your suggestions. So anything which is even a constructive criticism, it's all taken in good faith, and because it's for my self-improvement, because the more I improve, the more entertained you get and the more value you get out of my videos. So yeah guys, a lot of rambling I've done for now. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you've come till the end of the video. I'll see you on my next video guys. Bye bye.